Well, we're now joined by Vidyut Mohan, whose company Takachar won the Clean Our Air Prize at the Earthshot Prizes for creating a portable machine which turns agricultural waste into fertilizer. A possible solution to the stubble burning. You heard those young girls also talking about stubble burning problem. He even met with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Glasgow at the Climate Summit. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, and tell us about this machine and what inspired you.
Thank you so much for having me. So at Takachar, we have developed small-scale, low-cost and portable equipment that can process agricultural and forest waste like rice straws or rice husks, coconut shells, sugarcane trash, etc. that are usually burnt in the open into valuable products such as fuels and fertilizers, thereby also reducing air pollution associated with the open burning of these waste, but also creating livelihood opportunities in rural communities.
So this is something that you hope will help, if we can get this to Punjab and get it accessible for farmers there, that this is something that can help stop the farm fires that we're seeing every year?
Well, that's what our endeavor is at the moment, and we've started a pilot in Haryana right now that uses rice straws, and we'll be conducting that pilot over a 1 year and seeing how we can develop a scalable model in this region to utilize these rice straws productively.
And what inspired you to create this, find this solution to the farm fire problem and the agricultural waste problem?
Well, I'm from Delhi, so like everyone else, I live through the smoke and the pollution, and myself, my friends, my family, we get affected by it health-wise, so it's something that's personal to me as well. So, being a biomass technologist, this rings very close to home, so that's what inspired me to work on this.
Well, that's wonderful, it's something that you saw people suffering from and you actually looked to find a solution to this issue. Tell us about your meeting with the Prime Minister. Tell us about your Glasgow experience.
My time in COP was very, very, very productive. Managed to meet with a lot of stakeholders that can help scale up our solution. I also managed to meet with the Prime Minister. It was a very short meeting for about 2 or 3 minutes. He was quite curious to know what our solution is all about and had a lot of questions regarding the technology, how farmers are reacting to it, where are we manufacturing it, and what would it need to scale the solution.
So what now? Have you had a lot of interest? How are you going to now scale this up? And, there has been some solutions to the farm fires. We're told every year that, farmers can give the waste here and there and, it can be converted. But it still doesn't happen because for farmers, even transporting that little bit, even a little bit of cost gets too much for them to bear. And that is where we have to find some kind of a solution, that's something that's easily accessible to them, something that, and in this machine, you're saying it's something that will actually be useful and they can actually have a profit out of it?
Yeah, so our hypothesis is that you need to have decentralized equipment that avoids transportation of these agricultural waste over long distances because they're very bulky and voluminous materials, and logistically it's very difficult and expensive to transport them. So we think if there are small-scale decentralized solutions that are located closer to these wastes, not only is it more economically viable, but also brings the value creation process closer to farmers, thereby incentivizing them to not burn these wastes.
All right, and finally, tell us your plans going forward. So have you had a lot of interest? How are you going to scale up now?
Yes, we've had a lot of interest over a very short period of time. So we are trying to now plan our way forward. But we do have a couple of pilots running right now in northern India and one in southern India, and using different kinds of agricultural wastes. And the plan now is to lay a solid foundation in those pilots so that we're able to develop a replicable model and then use that to scale across these regions.
All right. Well, Vidyut Mohan, thank you so much for joining us here on NDTV, and all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.